It's raining and here is a tour of NRI home. It's a townhome. Let's go. We enter into this townhome here. We are already in the second floor here, and this is the main hall where we have sofa and TV here. So we enter here and there is a restroom door there. There is a stairs to go downstairs to the basement. Then there is a stairs to go upstairs, and there is a dining room there, and there is a kitchen behind that wall. Let's go to dining room first. So here is a dining area, then you have a big island here, then you have a kitchen over there, then you have a sink over there to clean dishes, then we have a dishwasher here, then this is the cooking area, and it's a gas stove which is always connected. You just get a bill monthly. You don't need to fill it like in India, like cylinders. Then we have a refrigerator here. Then we have another closet for the kitchen stuff here. Then you have two high chairs here to sit and eat breakfast if you want on the island, or you can eat in the dining area here. Then I placed my piano there, but there is a fireplace behind it, which is also a gas fireplace where the line is always connected. So in winter times we can turn on the fire here so that you can get some heat if you want. And there's a microwave up there, and we have some cabinets up there, and there is another door here. So we are on the second floor here, and people usually have a deck sometimes, and I don't have a deck here, so I have called patio here, and that's the AC machine which is running, and it's all central air conditioning. And it's a beautiful rainy day up here. So that house has a deck, the next house has a patio, and my house has a patio, and there is another deck up there. The house did not come with the deck, so some of the people chose to build it later, and I did not choose to build it, so I just have a patio here. So these are the views from the kitchen here, kitchen area, and there is a stairs leading upstairs there. So there is a stairs leading upstairs, and there is a stairs leading to the basement. And this is one of the restroom here, and there's a restroom, and there's the entrance here. And this is my 65-inch TV, Samsung TV here. So when you enter through the stairs, you're already at the second floor here. Downstairs basement, you have like a car garage, and there's a shutter which opens and closes automatically. You can set it up to the car. Then you can place two cars there, and you can also enter from there, from the basement to upstairs. This is how the whole community looks here. So this block contains 5 townhomes which shares the common walls. There is stairs leading to the second floor, or you can enter from the basement by opening the garage. So in total there are 3 floors in the townhome, and there will be no roof where you can get on top of it. And these 2 windows that you see here are just for the elevation purpose. You cannot even get down there from inside the house. Let's go to basement now. This is a basement here. I have a bed here, there's a restroom here, full bath here, and there's a door going outside to the patio here, and there is a door going to the garage here. Let's go to patio here right now. Here is a AC unit that we have seen from upstairs. And here I have a small place for the plants to grow here. Otherwise I have tiles everywhere here, and there is a door going to the back of the street. I have a green screen and a studio here, and some lights, and I do videos here for YouTube and other stuff here. And that is where we came down from, and there's a garage door right next to it, and there's a restroom here. Let's check the restroom right now. And this restroom is a full bath here. There's a bath shower here. The water comes continuously from the pipelines, and we just pay for the water by monthly for the whole house. Now let's go to the garage here. This is a 2-car garage here, and we can park 2 cars if there is no other stuff in here. Usually people keep the trash cans inside here, and a lot of supplies that we needed for the family here. And there's a garage door we can open from here, and there is a garage opener here. I'm opening a garage right now, and if you get out from here, and this is how it looks, and that is my neighbor with a cat. We came from there from basement, and here I have a AC unit operation center here. This is where the equipment for air conditioning and heating here. This is the air conditioning unit here, and there is also a heating system inside where all the pipes connected to the house for cooling and heating. And this is a boiler for water heater, and this is where all the water, hot water comes to the home. And this is a gas line. This is a gas line, and the gas is used to burn and heat up the water here, and also it is used to generate a heating here in the winter. And the same gas used for cooking and also for the fireplace. So hot air or cold air goes through these pipes up there to different floors. All right, I'm going back into my home, and I'm going to close the garage door. Turning of lights, and here this is a basement, and this is a restroom. Close this door and close the garage door, and we already seen patio there. So this is basically basement, and let's go upstairs one more time to the second floor. So that is the entrance, and this is a hall, and that way to kitchen, and we already went down the stairs to the basement, and now we'll go upstairs. I came upstairs, and we have my son's bedroom, my daughter's bedroom, and there's a full bath here, and there is the master bed there. This is my son's bedroom here. I have one queen bed here, and we have a closet, and his bed, desk, and chair to sit. And if I come out here, and this is my daughter's bedroom. It's almost the same size, and she has a twin bed, and she has a closet, and there is another closet here, and this is her desk, and she has a lot of decorations here. Let's go out here. I came from there, and this is a full bath here. So there's a sink, restroom, and full bath here. And as we go out, I came from there, my son's bedroom, my daughter's bedroom, and this is master bedroom, my bedroom. So I have a queen bed here. I have a TV, I never use it. I have a computer. This is where I do most of my work. And there's a window down here. And it's a beautiful view here. If you look down, that's a patio. And those are all the townhomes. So we came from there, and this is one more closet here, and this one is a big master bath here, and there's a standing shower and a bathtub and 2 sinks, and we have another toilet here. And if you go out, one more thing missing is appliances here. I have a washer and dryer closet here. This is the washer and this is the dryer. Please subscribe right now. Indian in USA, yours, NRI Raja. What is the next topic that you want me to cover that you are interested in? Subscribe and leave in comments below. See you next time.